things with me being me and my sometimes devastating ADD. I forget to document things, but you can see where we're at. I got the old manifold and carb taken off. We got my fabbed up, sort of partially finished runners ready there for the bike carbs. And we're all ready to go in here, so let's do some fast forward montage video shit, and I'll put on these runners and we'll do a faux mock-up of the manifold and carbs. Well guys, there it kind of is. It's pretty much mocked up. I gotta shorten these runs down. There's probably over an inch of play in here, and that's putting me right on my master. But once I take that out, it'll move me back. That'll give me enough room for my filters or velocity stacks down the road. I want to rework this and figure out a way to either get another thermostat that's close to this that I can modify to fit, to bring the hose angle sort of at an angle and towards the front, so I can get off the top of the carburetor, because I didn't go through all this work just so I could stare at a thermostat and a radiator hose right over the top of these carburetors I've been working on. So hopefully we'll be getting something figured out here. If anybody has any suggestions on something that's close to I believe this is like a 54 millimeter thermostat, so if you know a housing that's similar off of an import or something that would be easily modded, let me know. But I need to go get hose clamps tomorrow. I still need to figure out my throttle bracket, and this I totally spaced for my heater core, so I'm gonna have to figure out somewhere to tie in. I may end up going on the back side of the thermostat here and drill a hole, tap it, and put a bung in here, or a stud, to run a new heater core line, maybe under and up. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But that's the general look, and I think it looks pretty damn sweet. Yes! God, I can't believe that shit fired up. Woo! Fuck yeah. God, I can't believe that shit fired up. Woo! Fuck yeah. Guys, super stoked. Got it fired up. It was idling pretty meh. AFRs were like 17, so need to fatten up the idle jets a little bit. Found some pinholes in my thermostat housing, which I definitely anticipated that, so we're JB welding. We'll let that cure till this evening, but for now I'm gonna call that a success. It's supposed to be about 108 here today, and it's already in the 90s. I'm sweating like a pig, and I'm gonna call it a day for today. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one when we actually get some tuning done on this thing, when I can get it to quit leaking fluids everywhere. Yeah, man, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.